Good morning, everyone, and happy Christmas Eve. What? And happy Vlogmas, of course.
Powder sugar in the snow, candy cane and mistletoe. Can I please get an espresso?
Fun fact, it actually is Christmas Eve right now. I traveled back from Thailand to Tokyo, Tokyo to LA, LA to Texas all yesterday. So that means I pretty much lost a day of filming content. I'm caught up, so everything that I'm filming today is literally going up in the same 24 hours. Oh, anyways. Matcha slept right here the whole night. I let him out and he's in the living room with the other dogs. Yeah, I just really needed to sleep in because I'm exhausted. Like mentally drained. My whole body is just tired. But today's gonna be a productive one. We're gonna do some last minute Christmas shopping and then we're gonna pick up Catherine and my mom from the airport because their flight gets them today. So on that note, I'm gonna cover my address right here, but I've got so many packages. I'll go through these later and show like a little haul of what some brands have been sending to my parents' house instead of my address. But my mom got Catherine and I matching Christmas PJs. This is something that she always does as like a tradition. And so I'm so excited to wear these, especially because they're from Old Navy. And Old Navy always has the best PJ pants. This was the day that I came from Boise to Texas. This was the day that I left and went on a flight to Belgium. And then this was the day that I got on semester at sea. And now it's December. I just checked my phone and my dad texted me. I'll put it on the screen, but he said, do you want me to pick up oat milk or other? I'm bringing home fresh ham, egg, and cheese croissant for breakfast. Love you. I got him to cry. He sent that an hour ago, so oops. Let's go see what's up. Oh, Lord. Good morning. Oh my gosh. I just got your text. Wait.
Croissant et chocolate. It's a French bakery.
Gosh, I missed home.
Good to be home.
I feel so. Oh.
Have you talked to Mama yet or no?
No, should I call her?
Yeah, she was asking if you were sleeping.
He did so good last night. Look at you. Look at your little ears. Wait, I'm so excited. Did you add anything?
No, sorry.
Oh, it's okay. Did you get almond milk?
I didn't get that either.
That's okay.
Check in the fridge, see if we have it.
I look crazy, like a crackhead. Ignore that. Right before I left for semester at sea, I got some peach preserves. Love, love peach jam. I'm biased because I live in Idaho, but huckleberry jam is my all-time favorite. But now that we're in Texas, peach and strawberry jam, so, so good. We're gonna try this croissant right now, and I might add a little bit of jam to it just for the fun of it. So good.
You're good. It's delish. Yeah, it's really good.
Oh.
You might need a couple napkins because it's just so rich and good.
Wait, which one's open? The blackberry?
That one is, but you can open whatever you want.
Blackberry jam. Wow. Here's the plan for today. Honestly, I feel like we don't even need to go to the Domain.
That's what I'm thinking. Just time-wise.
You do not want to drive there, just say it.
Well, it would be very quick, that's why. But we can if you want. I can drive.
Maybe I'll go to Mercer Street and look at the shops there instead. Like shop locally instead. Wow. Choo
He's
choo.
got such personality.
He's like a little toy. Oh wow, that's
strong?
That's really
So they
dark.
make it stronger. Yeah, so we can do it.
Yum.
They run them all day long. They're closed on Sunday. I know. We were trying to go too, so.
Feels so good to be back in Texas. Scored some pecan pie bars. My dad got me a hat for Christmas. This lady was so nice at the store. Hi Deb, if you're watching this, we love you. I'll show you guys the hat when I get home, but it's so cute and I don't own any hats like it. It reminds me of Joanna Gaines from Magnolia, if you guys are familiar with that. She's like all over Target, all over TV and the internet. Yeah, okay, we're gonna go home and then we're gonna go to church tonight. And then later at midnight, Catherine and my mom fly in from California. My dad went ahead and left for church, but I have to do Vlogmas, so I stayed behind just a little bit to upload my video really quick, and then I'm gonna take my mom's car and we're gonna drive together. This is also gonna be crazy because I haven't driven in such a long time. I'm a little nervous, not gonna lie. But while my video is exporting, let's open up a PR package from Too Faced Cosmetics. I always forget that I can put my camera up here. Before we open that one, Grande Cosmetics sent over a little brow pot, like a styling gel. Oh, love this brand. Innisfree sent over sunscreen. I brought my sunscreen to semester at sea and used it every single day. Amazon sent over this Airfly Pro, which allows you to connect your AirPod to whatever's playing on like an airplane TV. Hold on. Too Faced always sends over the cutest things, so I'm so curious as to what they sent. Shut up. Okay, I was just about to go out and buy some mascara. I think when I was a freshman in high school, I tried the Better Than Sex mascara, and their waterproof one was my favorite for 2020 especially because I went swimming so much during that time. This is perfect because I was just about to throw out my L'Oreal Voluminous one since it lasted me the whole entire voyage. It's all out now. So I'm gonna try this tomorrow. We'll try this together for Christmas. And then they sent over one more package. Oh my gosh. 6 of these juicy lip oils. I'm about to put one on right now. Sweet cotton candy, bubblegum, grape soda, pina colada, sour watermelon, and raspberry. I'm gonna put on bubblegum. And the packaging is so cute. Oh, right off the bat, this smells like bubblegum. Cute. This is the perfect size. I'm gonna be sticking this in my purse. Okay, I'm gonna finish getting this video up and then let's go to church. Praise the Lord. Entry. It's been so long since I've driven a car. I'm kind of scared. And of course I'm doing it in heels. Only the real ones remember when I backed into my garage. Not this one, that one. If you're new here, when I was in high school and I had my blonde hair, I forgot to open the garage and I backed into it. Not my best work, but you know, we've gotten better. All right, I just got to church. I kid you not, I parked in the middle of the grass because it's absolutely packed right now. Hopefully this car does not get scratched up. I'm gonna put one more swipe of my new lip jelly. It smells like bubble gum. I just popped into my hometown H-E-B and grabbed a couple things. I'll give you guys a haul whenever I get home, but my feet are killing me. Maybe I'm not supposed to wear heels. Something no one ever tells you about or prepares you for is how much you miss driving. Like, now that I'm home and I just drove a long distance and listened to music, I missed it so freaking much. So I'm excited to show you guys the haul. I got some really good things. I also got some groceries that I think Catherine might like. Multi-seed nut thins, some cold brew. I've never tried H-E-B's brand of cold brew, but it looks really yummy. So hair mask from Nexus, pack of hair ties, 2 of these 4-pack Too Good yogurts. Here's that other one. Chobani caramel macchiato coffee creamer. This is the non-dairy version. It's time to start wrapping some Christmas gifts for my family. Out of all the countries I went to, I accumulated so many different unique pieces for each person. Like for example, this is a glass blown bookmark from Malta and it's for my sister, for my Aunt April. I feel like she's gonna love this because she loves unique pieces, and this one is from Cape Town. We've got some Studio Ghibli playing in the background. If you know, you know. I thought this was hilarious. As I was going through everything, I saw this little pouch that I got in Greece. It's sealed shut, but it says October 16th, 2023. Don't you dare open this, Caro. Remember why you got it. If you're my friend on the ship, you know exactly what this is for and the context behind it, but I have no idea when I'm gonna give it away or open it. So this is funny. Maybe I'll circle around and come back to this moment, but comment down below if you think you can guess what this is. Holy. Come try to buy this. All of my PR packages, like the rest of them, are in this room. So we're gonna do a little Christmas Eve opening together. To begin, let's start off with something that is not a PR package. This is something that I ordered myself. I bought it for Black Friday because there was a good sale going on. It's a new phone case. Obviously, you guys know that I have the Christmas phone case from Casetify, and I put that one on my phone, I think December 1st or 2nd. It was at the beginning of Vlogmas. Well, Christmas is almost over. After tomorrow, it's gonna be over. And I really wanted a new one for all of next year. Like, I want to keep this one for the whole entire year. And this one is actually from the brand Wildflower Cases. So I've never tried Wildflower before. I've always been a Casetify girly, and I still am. Like, I have a bunch of cases at home from Casetify. But someone suggested that I just try Wildflower out, so I got this beautiful floral case. It has all the cutest flowers on it. Purple, blue hydrangeas, and white roses are my favorites, but same vibe, preppy and soft. Some of the stuff is already out of the box because my mom unboxed it while I was at sea, so we're just gonna go through it. We've got the Too Faced Hangover Pillow Talk Balm. This is for your lips. Better Than Sex Chocolate Mascara. So this is brown mascara. I'll probably give this to one of my friends who has lighter features, lighter eyes, eyelashes, brows, whatnot. Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Lip Shaper. Love a good lip shaper. Too Faced Moon Crush Highlighter. Benefit Cookie Highlighter is my favorite, but I am running low. I hit pan on it, so I might need to switch out for this one. Oh, I have not had an eyeshadow palette in a fat minute. I just typically don't wear eyeshadow, but this is the Too Faced Natural Nudes. Excited about that. Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Lip Plumper. Really good one. Killer Eyeliner. Another Moon Crush Highlighter. That's My Jam eyeshadow palette. How freaking cute is this? Wait, this is perfect for traveling, like having on the go. Born This Way foundation. This is Christmas in itself because 3 to 4 months at sea, I used up all of my makeup products. I'm not even kidding. All right, next product is from Summer Fridays, and they just came out with the, stop, is this mint? Stop. What flavor is this? Ooh, it's sweet mint. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we're putting this on. I actually want to try this out right now. Oh. Yeah. This is going in my purse. It tastes like a junior mint, but a Girl Scout cookie at the same time. Now we actually have to do some opening of boxes. Bare Minerals. Ooh, I don't know if I've ever received a PR package from them. This should be exciting. Oh my gosh, they even customize the little paper at the top. You know I love a good handwritten letter. Let's read it. Celebrate the holiday season with the limited edition Bare Ocean collection. We're proud to partner with the Ocean Conservancy, a nonprofit organization dedicated to protecting our ocean. Second package, also from Bare Minerals. Let's open her up. Oh, another handwritten letter. Bare Minerals just launched on Amazon. Before, they were only exclusive at like Sephora and whatnot. Whoa, I'm so excited to use all these products. We've got some blush, lip liner, maximum liquid eyeliner. Okay, perfect. I just ran out of my eyeliner. Liquid lipsticks, vitamin C moisturizer. Oh, vitamin C is very good for you. Thank you so much, Bare Minerals. Next package is from the brand Living Proof. I'm gonna cover my address. This is a really popular hair care brand that ever since I started getting my hair done, I've always used their products. Oh my gosh. I'm also going to the hair salon in like 3 days, so this is perfect because I'm gonna have a bunch of products that I can just show my hairdresser and be like, okay, how do I do this? How do I put this in my hair? I'm really excited for this one though, because I never know how to put hair oil in your hair, whether you should start at the roots or like halfway on your hair. I never know. This is so fun. Thank you so much, Living Proof. Next up, if you guys know Brooklyn and Bailey, they come from a extremely talented family. Their mom literally makes the best hair products called Heritage. They released a skincare line about 2 or 3 years ago, I want to say, called In the Know. ITK is like the abbreviation. This is them, the two, gorge.com. They sent over a bunch of skincare, and all of these I have at my house in Boise, so I can recognize this right off the bat. There's a lot of cleansers that don't get off all the gunk on your face, especially if you wear makeup. This one does the job, just saying. It's the Milk to Foam one. All right, Too Faced Cosmetics sent another package right off the bat. I already like this picture. Pop the cork. Okay, limited edition makeup, and it also has a lip injector, which if you guys have not tried Too Faced's lip injection, ooh, your lips are gonna look like you just got filler. Looks like we've got another set. This has 3 different eyeshadow palettes in it. This one's Taste of Christmas, Holiday Angel, and then Peacock. Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun with this. Oh, this one is huge. The Merry Mary makeup palette. Too Faced, thank you so much. This is literally like the best Christmas gift ever. I love trying out new makeup. Summer Fridays. Absolutely love Summer Fridays with my whole heart. The packaging always gets a 10 out of 10 because it's just so minimalistic and clean. I will be breaking this in tonight. This face oil was one of the first ones that I ever used when I started gua shaing. Absolutely love. And then last package is from none other than Laura Mercier. Laura Mercier sent over one of my first PR packages ever, and I will never forget it. They also write the sweetest handwritten letters. They're just the best. Oh. Are you kidding me right now? If there is translucent powder in here, I'm gonna cry. This should be a flex for Laura Mercier because not only do they have makeup, but they have body care. This is a body trio. Look at these tubs. This is the cutest thing ever. On the go tinted blush and moisturizer, an eye color stick. I've used these guys before. The one in the middle is what I have back in Boise. And of course, I see some translucent setting powder. This is the best gift sets ever. Laura Mercier, thank you so much.
Crackling wood all season, decorating a loneless Christmas once again, making amends and tying loose ends. Everywhere you go, it smells like